Slide 2 on the Green Operations digital notebook, and I'm just going to go over multiplication. Multiplication basics, like it says right here. So when we say we are multiplying something, we're actually taking equal groups. So when we say times, and we use the times symbol, it means groups of. So 2 times 10 equals 20 means 2 groups of 10 equals 20. So in this box, we're going to put groups of. 2 groups of 10 equals 20. And if you look over here, you can see they have 2 tens rods. Each of those is a tens rod. It's made out of 10 ones cubes. And if you have 2 groups of 10, or 2 tens rods, that's 20. And you can do that. You can figure out by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or if you memorize it, that 2 groups of 10 is 20, or 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, factors are the 2 numbers that you multiply to get a product. So the product is the answer, and the 2 numbers that you're multiplying or more are called factors. Any numbers that you're multiplying are called factors. So 2 numbers that are multiplied to get a product are factors. So if we look over here, we can see we have groups of 3, and there's 2 of them. So that would be 2 groups of 3, which equals a total of 6, or 2 times 3. So in the green boxes, we're going to put 2 times 3 equals 6. And notice right below it, they also have 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2, which also equals 6. So we can say 3 times 2 in the green boxes equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6. If you have 6 blocks, you can divide them into 2 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 2. And multiplying always works that way, that you can switch the numbers and multiply them backwards and still get the same answer every time. And remember, the 2 numbers you're multiplying are called factors. And then the answer is called the product, the number that is the result of multiplying 2 or more factors is the product. So 3 times 4, or 3 groups of 4, what would be the product? We can either have a model over here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We could literally draw 3 groups of 4 objects and count them. You could count by 4s. Count by 4s 3 times, 4, 8, 12. That's 3 groups of 4. Or you could even count by 3s 4 times, 3, 6, 9, 12. So those are some different ways to figure out the product before you have them memorized. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 groups of 4 is 12. And in the yellow box, we're going to put 12 over here by the blocks and over here by the number sentence or the equation.